Story. So this is our West Side Story area. Now in the mid-1990s, they started redeveloping our waterfront here in Hell's Kitchen, all the way down to Badway Park, and they started revising piers and landscapes, and now this is now called the Hudson River Park. A lot of these piers are green space with trees growing on it. Some of these piers are recreational, and we got other piers that are just plain open public spaces. So this is kind of what we're looking at here as we're going down the Hudson River here. Now, after this one pier here, this used to belong to the American Lines, which was a transatlantic shipping company. Right after this pier, you're going to see the Hudson Railroad Yard. And you're going to see all these new buildings that went up. Now, years ago, the Hudson Railroad Yards were open. It was an open area. But because real estate is so valuable in Manhattan, they actually built these new buildings in between the tracks. side, not on the Hudson River side, but on the East River side. So again, this is all we've done to support your river. That's where you get your tour helicopters back there. But every now and then when the President of the United States comes into the city, that's where his helicopter lands, and that's called Marine One. All right, now in a minute we're going to be going under the Brooklyn Bridge. Right after that is another one called the Manhattan Bridge. The Manhattan Bridge opened in 1909 to extend the subway service in Brooklyn. The subway opened up in Manhattan in 1904. So again, bridges and tunnels is what connects the city of New York today. You got to remember when we're sailing right here and going up the East River, we're sailing between two islands right now. To the left is the island of Manhattan. To the right is Long Island. Brooklyn and Queens is part of Long Island. Just so you guys get the visualization that New Yorkers every day island hop when they go to work. They come in from Staten Island or Long Island, either in Queens or Brooklyn, to go to Manhattan Island and back again. And the things that they got across are bridges and tunnels. This is why I always tell my guests, if you got to go out to the airport, you allow yourself a little extra time because you're island. You're going from one island to the next. And you don't want to get connected. Alright, now this area over to the right here in Brooklyn is called Dumbo. And Dumbo's another acronym. What Dumbo means